Hi YouTube, I'm back and I'm going to do a review on a fetal Doppler I purchased. I purchased a fetal Doppler because I've had 4 miscarriages in my past pregnancies and I am very concerned about my baby, so I purchased one called the Be Be Fetal Doppler. It was $99 or like, let me see here, I got it right here. $99, and I think it has free shipping, and I purchased it at www.healthchecksystems.com. I'll put that in a link for you so you can go to that. There's two different types of fetal Dopplers you can choose from. There's one that that displays the exact beats per minute, and the other one you just hear the heartbeat. I had another one that was around like under 20 bucks that I got from my sister, and I think it was BB Sounds. That's the name of it wasn't like a fetal Doppler, I don't know what it was, but you can listen to the heartbeat with it, but it was not worth anything at all to me. I couldn't even hear the baby's heartbeat at 20 weeks. And with this Doppler, you can hear the heartbeat at 10 weeks, which is really good because the ones you can purchase like online for you can rent them, they're like up to $50 a month. I think with the cheapest usually being around 20 bucks a month, and I paid around $99 for what I got, and it's mine. I have it. I don't have to give it back. And I think that you can probably sell this back on eBay for a great price, and you can get your money back too. It came with this nice little traveling case here. Also some gel, which I think you can use lotion if you run out, but I also got an extra gel too, and this thing is full. I have not broken a dent in that yet. And here's the actual Doppler here. Turns on like so. There. And I'll do another video of me actually listening to my little baby's heartbeat on there for you. What else is there to say about it? Yeah, basically that's about all I have to say. I give this 5 stars out of 5 stars. It's a great product. For you can't beat that for $100, which most people, I mean, I think maybe retails for like $500 or more. The doctors in your office probably pay a butt ton. They can hear it though usually at 8 weeks, but I mean, waiting 2 weeks later, that's a great deal. So I really recommend that, and you should go check it out. So I'll make another video showing you how it works, and that's all I have. See you later.